Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus open, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in the settings we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Here let's open date and time option. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. So first of all, we have to turn off all of those switchers to be able to change the date and time. Let's begin with a date. Just tap on it, and just by swiping, change it to the date you want to use. The same situation with the time, just change it, and here you've got it. It will be immediately applied also. We can change the time zone. Just tap on it and we will be transferred to the full list of available time zones from which we can choose. So just find yours and tap on it. For example, this one. It was a random one, and it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here we've got dual clock option, which means that you can turn it on just by using the switcher, basically. And you can choose the first clock, which is basically the clock from the place you're currently in, and the second clock of your choice, so you can choose any other place in the world. And you can decide how you want to display dual clock. So this is how it works. And of course, and I forgot about the time format. So after tapping on it, you can decide how you want to display the hour. You can set it as a 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or 24-hour one. So basically this is how it works. You can also get back to all previous settings, so the automatic options, just by using those switchers here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.